Hello dear students, I am Dr. Sudhir Yadav, Principal, Government College Kausli. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important parts of English grammar, that is articles. Dear student, as you know, articles are of two types, indefinite article and definite article. Articles are the words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. So far as articles are concerned, in English language, we have these articles, for example, definite and indefinite article. As I have told you, two types of articles as definite and indefinite article. Definite article is the, indefinite article is a. It is pronounced as a. And an is another form of a. An is not the third article, it is another form of a. Articles first of all, indefinite articles a, n or n. We use article a in singular, countable noun. Means article is used before a noun, that is countable and singular. If it is plural, or so we cannot use article a before plural case, then n is used before noun that gives the sound of a vowel. As you know very well, in using articles, spelling is not so important. Sound is more important than spelling. There are certain words like a, e, I, o, u. The choice between using the two, means a and n, is determined by the sound. So these words you can say vowels. The first letter of a word begins with a vowel, but it is pronounced as sound of consonant. Means we start the word from A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowels. But sometimes they produce the sound of consonant. So we cannot use N. For example, he is university teacher. So although the first letter of the word is U, it is a vowel, but it is pronounced as consonant. So we use A, not N. So university, yeah, this sound is yeah. So we use article A. She is European senator. Naturally, here European is an adjective. So we do not use article A or N before a noun when there is adjective also. So we use before adjective A, not before senator. Senator is noun, European is adjective. So when it comes, when there is an adjective, we place the article before adjective, not before noun. So please keep in mind, it is placed before adjective. I met one-eyed person. So O is a vowel, but it gives the sound of V, and that is a consonant. So it is A. Then he lives in USA state. That is also U. So the sound is of a consonant. So we use A, not N. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So what I mean to say is very simple. Sound is more important than spelling. Spelling you see here A, E, I, O, U. So students start using N before these words. But remember, sound is important than spelling.
काउंटेबल नाउन के कुछ एग्जांपल मिल जाते हैं?
Yes.
थोड़ा क्लियर होता है?
Yes. Articles are used A or N before, as I have told you, countable nouns. For example, it is not only a thing. Any noun that can be counted. Water cannot be counted.
Yes, sir.
You cannot say, I want a water. You cannot say, I want a milk, because milk, water cannot be counted.
So these are uncountable.
These are uncountable. So we cannot use article A or N. We use only article A or N before singular countable noun. So we can say, I want a glass of water. So a glass of water. Glass, yes, glass is countable. Glass is. She gave me a jug of milk. So jug, jugs, it can be made plural. So we can use. Then A or N can be used before the names of profession. profession is that is medical, maybe engineering, maybe nursing, like that. So always use a or n. For example, you will say in exam, she is doctor. So naturally this is medical profession, so a. And moreover it is a countable noun. It plural, no use of article, a or n. So singular countable noun, my brother is teacher. Naturally this is also, teaching is also a profession. So my brother is a teacher. Her sister is an engineer. So this is also a profession. So we use article before the names of profession. Also use a or n in the sense of per. In the sense of per. For example, milk sells at rupees, you can write like that also, 55 a liter. Not per liter. So it gives the sense of per, not per. So saying milk sells at rupees 55 a liter, 55 per liter is wrong to say, but it is the practice. We say she can type words at the speed of 50 minute. So not per, but it is a minute. There are many more examples. The bus is moving at the speed of 90 kilometer per hour. No, per hour, an hour. So hour, because it is a muted h, so we also use article n. Because of the sound. Again sound. It is hour, not hour. It is hour. Honorable. You can delete u also. H-O-N-O-U, H-O-N-O. O is also correct. H-O-N-O-R-A-U is also. So not honorable, it is honorable. Honest. So the word beginning with muted h, we use article n. But home, house, hospital, not muted h. These are house or hospital, not hospital. But here our
Sir, the pronunciation of the third word is
ear,
ear,
not here. Yes, not here. Heiress also. Gender change. Heiress. Here, heiress, but not here. She is here. She is here to this throne. Note, she is heiress to this throne. N, not A, because it is not heiress. It is heiress. Like that is R. Not hour. It is R. So muted H, we use article. So as I have told you, in using article, spelling does not matter. Sound is more important than spelling. You can see another example. If there is a sound of consonant, but the word start with vowel.
Like in European.
In European. So there are some words which start from consonant, but they give the sound of vowels. So for example, he is RMP doctor. So he is N. Because R. So when you pronounce, it gives the sound of a vowel. So naturally, it is N. However, the first letter of this begins with consonant. You know about consonant? Yes, there are 24 consonants. 24 consonants and 20 vowels. 20 vowels. 12 pure vowel and 8 diphthongs. Not 5 vowels. There are 20 vowels and 26 letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, alphabet, and 44 sounds. We have 44 sounds. So, sound is more important than spelling. So, always keep in mind. You have to pronounce the word. If it gives the sound of a vowel, then you use N. If it is singular. If it gives the sound of a consonant, the first letter, doesn't matter. If it gives the sound of consonant, you use A. So, there are more examples. She is MSc, not A, N, because this one is M and it gives the sound of a vowel. MSc, you can say MA, MLA, MP, LLM, SI, even FIR.
Yes.
You say, so FIR was lodged against a teacher. So, it is N because the sound gives the vowel. So, naturally we use N. NFIR, not AFIR. It is NFIR. But keep in mind, these are abbreviations. Only abbreviation, not words. FIR, SI, LLM, LLB, SP, RMP. So, these are abbreviation. When the MP, MLA, when you say minister, he is a minister. So, minister is the sound of consonant. So, we do not use article N. Sound is more important. So, these are the abbreviation. So, please think and rethink in your mind and then use article A or N. The choice is between the two. So, simple, you can say simply words beginning with a vowel sound precedes A, N, and words beginning with a consonant sound precede A. If the sound is of a consonant, then you use A. If the sound is of a vowel, then use N. So, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So, there is a difference between A and N. N is the form of A. It is not third vowel. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Then, in expressions, using so, and placed between adjective and noun. If in the expression the word so is there in the sentence, then you have to use a or an not before adjective but between adjective and noun.
Noun.
For example, I have never met so wonderful person. So, noun person, wonderful is adjective. So, previously we used a or an before an adjective, but here between noun and adjective. I have never met so a wonderful person, not so wonderful a person.
Means so is important.
So is important. So expression so,
So
then you use like
in
this.
between adjective and noun.
Now,
If so is not there,
yes,
then we have to use
hmm.
before adjective.
Before adjective. I have never seen so great a musician.
Great a musician.
Yes. I have never met so melodious a singer. I have never seen so poor a man. He has never come across so good a person. So many examples can be illustrated. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then it is also in the sense of every or any. In the sense of every or any. Means article A is used, A or N is used to represent the whole class of that thing. Means, for example, a lion is a very dangerous animal. So we use article A. It does not mean that one lion is dangerous. The whole class means, that is why I wrote here every lion.
It's very dangerous.
Yes. So it gives the representation of its class.
Whole class.
You will see in the exam, domestic animal. Naturally, A means it represents the whole class. Every cow, not only one. Not only one. A cow is a domestic animal. Honest and disciplined. Student needs to be honest and disciplined. Naturally, A. So the whole class of students, every students need to be honest and disciplined. So it represents the whole class. A is also used when it point out the unknown person, strangers. We also use article A. Otherwise, we do not use any article before proper noun. Mr. Gupta came to see you in your absence. You have gone somewhere else you are not present in your house, so some Mr. Gupta came to see you. A Mr. Gupta means it points to unknown person. I don't know, but he told me I am Mr. Gupta. So like this, a Mr. Sharma. I asked the address of you from Mr. Sharma. So it gives the impression like that. So A, another example, A Mr. Sharma took the whole course from here, whole syllabus, whole course from here. A Mr. Sharma. So koi Mr. Sharma. It gives the impression like that. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
You can ask your queries also.
Sir,
In between.
I have one query. As you have told us कि plural countable noun के आगे a और n नहीं लगेगा.
No.
But is there any rule कि d ही लगेगा या d लग भी सकता नहीं लग सकता?
Yes. I will come to this topic later on, but you have made a query, you have raised this query, so I clarify it. Yes, you can use article the before plural, and you can not use article the before plural. In both situations like that. For example, birds, students, chairs, tables, these are plural. Dogs, cows, these are plural. We do not use any article before plural in their general sense.
General sense.
When they are particular, we use article the. Birds fly in the sky. Correct?
Yes, sir.
No article is used. Students study in school and college. In school and colleges. Dogs are faithful. No articles. Plural, we do not use any article.
In general sense.
In general. When they give the sense of general.
Yes.
When they become particular, we use article the. For example, the dogs of this village are always barking. The dogs of this city are very ferocious. So they are particular of this village, not general. General, birds fly in the sky. Students study in school and college. General, the students of this college are very hard working. Naturally, of this college, it is particular. So you have to remember. Indefinite article indicates that a noun refers to a general idea rather than particular person or thing. Whereas definite article indicates the particular thing or object or person. When we make something particular, then we use article the. When it is in general sense and it is a singular countable noun, then we use a. I give you another example. I saw a student. It is a general idea, not particular. I saw a student. When I came across him, I saw him. Student was crossing the road very fastly. Then it becomes particular. Means that student whom I saw. The student was crossing the road. So it becomes particular. Otherwise it gives a general sense. I gave him pen. It is a general. I gave him a pen. But he lost a pen. It is the pen. It becomes particular. Now it is not general sense. It is particular. Yes. It is specific. When it is unspecific, you use a. As I have told you earlier. Then article the means definite article the. The uses of article the. Definite article. The. First of all, we should know whether we use the or not. In what cases we use article the. For example, first of all, we can say the is used before unique nouns. Unique nouns means non-parallel, means that cannot be compared with. They are only one in the universe. That's why they are unique. They are non-parallel. They cannot be compared with any other object.
What do you have used?
Non-parallel. Non-parallel and means non-parallel. Yes, it is uncomparable. For example, the sun. It is one of its kind. There is no other sun. So that's why it is unique. The earth. So we use article the. We cannot say earth revolves round sun. So we use article the. The earth because it is unique noun. Sun because it is also unique. So we do not omit or delete it. We use article the. The earth revolves around the sun. The moon is very bright. The moon is shining. Then the world is also unique. The world is full of suffering. So you can say the world. So these are the unique nouns. So we use article the, no other article. And never leave blank. Never cross. If it shows in the exam, never cross. It is article the, definite article the. I have told you before unique nouns. Then before superlative degree, of an adjective, we use article the. For example, he is best player. Naturally, good, better, best. This is the superlative degree. So we use article the. We do not use a, saying that player is countable, singular, noun, and we use a, because this is superlative degree. If it is not there, then we use a. If it is good, he is good player, simple degree of adjective, then positive degree of adjective, then we use a.
He is a good player.
He is a good player. It is a small village. It is a small village. Simple. Village is very small.
It is the smallest village.
Smallest, yes. Small, smaller, comparative smaller, and superlative smallest. So when you see the superlative degree, you use the. Without thinking any other thing, you use the. The best, the darkest, the brightest, the smallest, the highest. For example, she jumped highest. She jumped the highest because of the superlative degree of adjective. So we use article the. Then before ordinals, we use also article the. Ordinal is a number that comes between 1 and 100. The position of that word, that is called ordinal. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, these are the ordinals. You know better in mathematics, it comes. So, for example, he is first to come in college. He is the first. She was last to attend this seminar. Naturally, this is also ordinal, the last. It is written on page of the book. It is written on the 5th page of the book, because 5th is also ordinal. So when you see an ordinal in a sentence, you use article the. Before comparative degree, of an adjective when contrasted when there is a contrast, you use article the. For example,
Sir, please take different tone.
okay, the higher you go, the cooler it is or it becomes. So this is comparative degree, higher and cooler. We use article the because there is a contrast. You will get in the exam like this: more you eat, fatter you become. Naturally, more, much, more, most. This is also comparative degree. And this is also fatter, fat, fatter, fattest. So there is a contrast, so you use the. That's why I wrote here before comparative degree of adjective when there is a contrast. Many more examples. The more you work, the better you become. The faster you run, the earlier you reach. So there is a contrast. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Then we use article the before certain nouns when their purpose is secondary, not primary. Sometimes their function is primary. For example, the primary function of a school or college is to impart education. Secondary function, secondary purpose, what can be it? What is the? Parents can go to school because then it is secondary. Parents are not coming to get education. They are not student. They are visiting college or school for secondary purpose. So before certain nouns, for example, school, college, temple, market, etc., etc.
Hospital.
Church, hospital, yes, hospital, church. Their primary function is to impart education. Primary function is to worship or pray. Market, to buy or sell. Hospital, to get treatment for a patient. This is the primary function of these. When it becomes the secondary, then we use the. For example, he went to school to deposit the fee of his son. So we use article the. He went to the school. If a student goes to school, then there is no article. Article is not required because he is going for the primary purpose. I went to hospital to see ailing friend. Naturally, I did not go to hospital for my treatment. I went to meet some patient, a friend. Naturally, it is secondary function. So we use article the. An ailing friend because it is pronounced as like a vowel, sound.
A-ling is adjective
Adjective. A-ling is adjective.
and is noun.
Yes. So note between them before adjective.
And in between
When?
them, if there is so.
If there is so in a sentence, they say. Is it okay?
Yes.
So like temple, we went to temple to see some person, to see a pujari. We went to market not to buy anything. We went to the market to see a friend, to discuss about some other things. So then that is the.
The.
So we use article the before the names of languages when they become the national of the country, the citizen of that country. When they become the citizen of that country. For example, French is a language. English is a language. German, Russian, Greek, Spanish, these are languages. But when you use article the before these nouns, they become the citizen of that country. They become the national of that country. For example, I give you both example. French is easy language. French or English is easy to study. English are very proud and haughty. English is my favorite subject. So there are different uses of this noun. French is easy language. This is language, so no article is used. We do not use any article before the names of languages. But again you see, language is a singular countable noun. So we use a or an. When it is the adjective gives the sound of vowel, then we use an. An easy language. English is easy to study. Here it is a subject, and we do not use any article before subject. Mathematics is a difficult subject. So we do not say a mathematics is difficult subject or the mathematics is a difficult subject, because before the names of subjects, history, English, political science, economics, we do not use any article. So here it is a subject. Note, so no article is used. English is easy to study. Here, what should we write?
No any article.
No article, because there is no noun.
No noun.
Yes, sometimes students make mistake and they write n, a or n. So you see, there is no noun. So in the absence of noun, we. Huh?
The last one is repeating again, sir.
This one?
The last one.
This one?
Easy.
Easy to study. No, because there is no noun. No noun. In the absence of noun, we do not use article a or n. If there is noun, If the subject is a noun and it is countable also, subject, subjects, you can make it plural. So English is
N.
an easy subject. Is it clear? So you have to see whether there is noun or not noun in the sentence. English are here. English are Angrez. The English are very proud and haughty. Now they become the citizen of that country where they live. Means in England, in UK.
English is not a language in this sentence.
No, not a subject or not a language. So that's why I write here. We use article the before the names of languages where they are spoken. Then they become the citizen of that country. The English, like that the French are very sophisticated person. So you use article the. French is a language. French is an easy language. It is language. When you use the, then they become the citizen of that country. The French are very sincere and disciplined person. So we can say the French. And English is my favorite. Now here it is again subject. So we do not use any article. English is my favorite subject. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then you have also studied in your earlier classes also. We use article the before the names of river, mountain, winds, directions, holy books, etc. etc. magazines. We use article the. The Yamuna is holy river. Naturally the Yamuna a नहीं करेंगे. The Yamuna is a holy river. Here river is singular countable noun. Holy, here H is not muted. So we use a. Like that mountain, Himalayas, Satpura, Vindhyachal, the Himalayas. But when it is a peak, we do not use any article. Mount Everest. You can say Mount Everest. It is not the mountain. It is a peak. It is the name of a peak. So we do not use. Mount Everest is the highest peak. Highest superlative degree. So we use article the. Mount Everest is the highest peak. But not the Mount Everest. So this is because it is the name of a peak. So like that winds, the west wind, the monsoon, etc., etc. The direction, the north, the south, and holy books, etc. So we use article the. Any other query? If you have any query regarding this article a and indefinite article, article the definite article, then we will proceed to omission of article. Where should we omit? Where should we not use any article a, n or the? If you have, yes.
As you have told us, I went to the school.
Yes.
It means I am going to the school for secondary purpose.
Yes.
And a student is going to use I went to school. So is there any sentence I went to a school?
I went to a school. I went to a school. A particular school, not a particular school. but it is not specified what purpose, whether he is a student or a parent or a some visitor.
Means on certain conditions.
Yes, yes, you can use I went to school, I go to school daily, I go to school daily, I go to the school daily नहीं कहेंगे. I go to school means I am a student, that's why I am going. If you say I go to the school daily, it is, yes, adjective daily suggests that he is a student. So here you use no article. I go to school.
The PN of the school can also use I
Yes.
went to school daily.
Yes, yes, he is an employee there.
Employee there, and
Yes.
he is also serving his primary
Yes,
purpose.
yes, primary purpose. His duties.
Yes.
You see the duties of a teacher. So teacher also can say I go to college daily
Daily.
for impart. So this is the primary
Primary.
function. Imparting education to student is also primary function. Students get education, teacher give education. So this is primary function. But when a parent wants to meet someone, you and any other else, then his purpose is secondary.
One more doubt is, sir, our and honest,
Honest.
we know it's attributive.
Yes.
But there are certain words
Yes.
which are not familiar with, and how can we differentiate the attributed or not? Is there any rule or?
No, there is no rule. When English people start speaking these words, then it becomes rule. So this is their language, and the way they pronounce words, that is the rule. So there is no hard and fast rule. Which word should be pronounced as hai and which word is pronounced as a. Any other word? Yes. Omission of article.
Sir. Sir.
Yes.
Next lecture.
Is it complete?
Yes, sir. It is on this.
Okay. Thank you very much. So, dear student, we will discuss it later on, the omission of. Thank you very much.